If your posts aren't getting the attention they deserve, it could be because you're making one of these 5 design mistakes inside of Canva. So I'm going to walk you through the 5 biggest design mistakes I see when I'm scrolling through social and how you can avoid making them as well. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1 is what I like to call everything but the kitchen sink syndrome. It's when we put every piece of information we could possibly think of in the graphic itself instead of in the caption. I see this all the time with real estate where we have the house, the details of the house, the contact information for the realtor, plus their headshot, plus a few more images of the house, all crammed into one post. This is not what we want to do. It's not effective marketing because when we see busy posts like this, we tend to scroll on by. Effective marketing and advertising focuses on one image, one key theme. Flip through any magazine and you'll notice that they focus on one image that makes us feel something. So we want to take our best listing photo and put that front and center if you're creating a just listed and let that speak for itself. Sell the house, not yourself, when you have a listing. It's just advertising and psychology 101. Mistake number 2, inconsistency. I see this all the time on social media. And I totally get it. It can be so much fun to head into Canva and see all those different aesthetics and all those different templates and want to play around with them and make them your own. And then we post them and we're not creating a consistent aesthetic that people recognize as our own. The key to good branding and marketing is that when people see your content, they know it's yours. And the way to do that is to get super clear and super consistent with the colors we use, fonts we use, imagery, but more important about the imagery is the vibe, is the feeling that you want to convey to your audience. Mistake number 3, sales pitch central. I see this all the time with realtors. And in fact, a lot of our members who join our membership join because they're not sure what to post on Instagram or any social media channel. And it ends up being a whole bunch of sales pitches over and over and over again. And that's totally understandable. We all have this natural instinct to hide behind our business. So as a realtor, you might think that you only should be posting just solds, just listeds, and market stats and tips for your audience. You need to show up as a human. Instead of showing up every day and saying, well, what can I share with regards to real estate? It should sound something like, how can I show up today and connect? Mistake number 4 is not enough white space. So when people ask me, what is white space? What does that mean exactly? I love to equate it to personal space. So we all know what personal space is, and it's the same for white space. When we have our elements too close together in the design, every element should have space. It should never look like this. It should look like this. And I saved the best one for last because this is a mistake that I see everywhere all the time. Mistake number 5 is relying way too heavily on stock imagery. Remember, you are your brand. And if the only way that you're showing up is with headshots, they are not being invited in enough to get to know you, like you, and trust you and use you as their realtor. If you're going to use stock photo, ask yourself how you can recreate that stock photo with you in it. All you need these days is this handy little guy here. And so bribe a friend, get them to spend an afternoon with you taking lifestyle shots, and you're going to have this huge library of images that you can use instead of stock photos. And that is it, my friends. Those are the 5 biggest mistakes that I see in real estate and how you can fix them. Now, if you want to deep dive into how to use Canva for your real estate business, click the link below and join my free 5 days to Canva course, which will walk you through how to use Canva for your real estate business. It's bite-sized lessons that anyone can fit into their schedule. And by the end of it, you will be confidently using Canva. If you liked this video, make sure to click the like button and hit subscribe if you want to be notified of any future videos I put out. And make sure to head into the comment section and let me know what you thought or any future content that you'd like me to create. That is it, my friends. I will speak to you soon.